In this video, I am going to show you how to post on CoinMarketCap community. 1. If you haven't already, create an account on CoinMarketCap to access the community. Once signed in, navigate to the CoinMarketCap community section on the CoinMarketCap website and take a moment to explore the layout of CoinMarketCap community. Go to your feed and the designated section for posting updates. Type your message or content into the text field provided. So, depending on the platform's features, you may have options to enhance your post, such as adding images, links, or hashtags. Also, you can choose who can view your post, which public, friends only, or etc. If applicable, you can decide if you want to include any sentiments about the cryptocurrency discussed, such as being bullish or bearish. Before posting, review your message for accuracy and clarity and make any necessary edits. Once you're satisfied with your post, click the post button to share it with the CoinMarketCap community. Just be respectful, stay informed, and participate in discussions regularly. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.